Now, Actor Q recommends that we use the Reader AutoFill option, as this is a more realistic reading. You have two options. You can record the reader lines here directly, or you can import the reader lines. How this is done is you record all the reader lines in one take, pausing between each line. Or you can send your script to your friend and have them record the reader lines in the same way. One take, pausing between each reader line. In this case, we will select Import Reader Lines, select the reader lines file, and now we will review the matches that have been automatically matched.
Was the audition for a guest star or recurring role? Congratulations, that's great.
Tap Apply Tentative Matches. Now the reader lines audio are automatically matched to the lines.